Year and hometown.
My name's Temi. I study nutrition. I'm in first year and I'm from London.
So, obviously, you're at university. This means you chose it over working / apprenticeship. Why?
My parents.
Your parents. Okay.
That's
So
all I can
is
say.
that something that just traditionally in the family you have to
Yeah.
go to university?
Yeah.
What is your background when it comes to all that?
Both of my parents went to uni, and my mum went back to uni when she came to this country.
Okay, little camera. Nigerian and the culture. Could you go back into that?
It's pretty much been ingrained since birth that you have to go to uni, and then you can do whatever you want.
So uni's just
Yeah.
standard. You just there's no brainer. Okay. So can you tell us more about Miss Charming?
Okay.
It's like your Insta, what you do, what kind of jewelry you make.
Okay. I make jewelry, innit? So far I've only got like silver stuff, but I've bought some gold, so that's coming in soon. I don't know what to say.
So what kind of jewelry do you make?
I make necklaces, bracelets, anklets.
Is there any like hidden thing behind them? Or do you kind of do it custom to the person?
Nah, it's just like, I don't know, whatever I have is what I have in it. There's no like custom made thing yet. I might invest in that.
It's pending. Pending. So where can people find, so say someone may be interested in you or your jewelry, where can they find you or your jewelry?
Instagram, obviously. Follow my Instagram at miss.charming.tp.
Okay.
Also my Facebook, which is the same. And
Can you spell that out for us? Just for the people.
miss.charming.tp. MISS full stop CHARMING dot TP.
TP.
That's me.
What does TP stand for?
Temi Papula, my name.
What's your full name?
Whoa. Okay. Temi Lolua Popola. That's my name.
You say it a bit short, slower, sorry.
Temi Lolua Popola. That's my name.
And that's your Nigerian name.
Yeah.
Oh no, I mean, because obviously I've heard that obviously when Nigerians come to England, they have an English name and a Nigerian name.
Nah.
No?
I mean, my mum gave me a Bible name.
What's your Bible name? Your Temi?
Hannah.
Hannah.
What's funny? What's funny? What's funny? Why are you
You
laughing?
went from Temi
Yeah,
to Hannah.
that's my Bible name.
Hannah. Why Hannah?
My mum chose it. It's
No,
got
but
nothing to do
what
with
does
me.
it mean?
It's the story of Hannah.
Do you know the story of Hannah?
I haven't read it yet.
Okay, that's all right.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
I never said anything was wrong.
She gave it to me recently, man. I don't
Recently?
know. Like, I don't know, year 11, 10.
And so is this, you just take it on now?
Yeah. But I don't use it, so.
Why not?
Because I like Temi.
Why do you like Temi?
Because of the meaning.
Okay, so previous camera just decided to stop working. So we've switched cameras now and we're back up. So now we're gonna have a little summary. So you could, this is free ground. You say what you want, what you like about what we spoke about. Maybe it's a tip, maybe it's advice, maybe it's like study this course because of this, or go to this club because of this, Cameo Wednesdays. So this is all you. So it's like a big summary of what we've been talking about.
Okay, for accommodation, yeah, make sure you look at or ask people who have lived there previously. Because I didn't ask anyone. I saw the pictures. I thought it was nice.
Did you go? Hey.
With your accommodation, yeah, make sure you ask people who have lived there before, and also check out Plugged In.
Thank you.
Because he will let you know what it's really like living
They
there.
will let you know.
Oh,
It's a he, it's a they.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, take 3.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Boom.
Obviously, when you're choosing your
Take 4. Okay, you ready? Are we ready? Temi, are we ready? Hannah. Oh, you know. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Tim. I'm sorry. Are you okay now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, take 5. Oh my goodness, this girl started. Take 6. Ah.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay, when you're booking your accommodation, yeah, make sure you ask people who have lived there before and also pre-plugged in, because they got all the information of all your comms and what gone for them, yeah?
No.
Cool. And for your course, make sure you look at the units that you're doing so you know what A levels that you should be doing, because you don't want to get there and then you don't know what's going on.
What's going on?
Exactly.
Okay.
And join societies. It does cost money, but it's fun.
Not all of them.
Let's choose some of them free. So join the free ones if you're low on cash. And if you are low on cash, get a job. You know, the university's hiring for people.
Do you have a job?
I have a side hustle.
So have a side hustle or have some sort of income coming in.
Just to give you a little bit extra. Obviously people do have like bursaries and scholarships and that. But you know, some people who have that, they just be spending it like it's water.
Like,
so,
can you go into that? I'm curious now.
okay.
Who's been spending bursaries like it's water? Not who, so what have been spending it on?
Drinks.
Drinks?
Yeah.
So
I don't drink, but when I only use my bursary money. I don't use the SFE money because I got bills to pay, you know. But with the bursary money, I just buy groceries and then that's it. Miss.charmy.tp.
you could do that too.
Buy my shit.
Just end that. Man said.
Buy my jewelry, guys.
So, you know.
Okay, don't forget to add my Insta at miss.charming.tp if you want any jewelry. I got a lot of stuff for you. What are you saying? Subscribe, like. Make sure you subscribe, like, follow, whatever you need to do because it's the plug right here, plugged in.